Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. I just pretty much completed the Jaguar S-Type R. If you have watched my previous videos on this car, you know that I had gotten in a car accident. There was a fender. This fender got bent. Hood got a little bit dented. The bumper and the door had a little bit of damage, and the wheel got scratched. So I had replaced all the panels with the OEM same color from a donor car panels, and I had the car refinished in those areas and blended into this fender and the right rear door, and guys did a really good job. Came up really nice. And I also had the wheels powder coated, so they look like new now. No more curb marks on them at all. Car drives great. It's an 05 S-Type R supercharged with 122,000 miles on it. I've had it for a year and a half now, and I'm a big fan of these cars. They drive really nicely. There's inside. I had the headliner redone last year, so it looks really good. Steering wheel looks good, it's not worn at all. Seats look good, clean. Sony stereo in there. Vocal audio components. Let's take a look in a turn. I have one 12-inch Alpine Type R with 2 amps. For some little bit of extra sounds. Probably gonna be selling this car because I have a replacement car for it, Jaguar XFR, and we have 2 other cars. We only need too many cars. I'd love to keep it. If I don't get the price I'm asking for it, I'm gonna end up keeping it. Thank you for watching. More videos to come. Please like, comment, and subscribe.